On behalf of our family, we want to welcome you and thank you for being here to celebrate Maggie and Kyle.
Congrats, Kyle. Congrats, Kyle.
Seeing you side by side makes it clear this is more than a partnership. It's friendship, humor, commitment woven together. You love each other with your whole heart. And we love the life you two are putting together.
Mr. and Mrs. Fry.
The first time I met Maggie, I remember thinking she was insanely cool, like an older sister would be. We had gone to play disc golf. When we got to about hole 7, Maggie started complaining that her moisturizer was pilling. I knew if Kyle could put up with that, he'd be putting up with her for a lifetime.
Good morning.
Shortly after that, they moved into our house, and when Maggie started to get comfortable, things started to go missing. My Lululemon tank tops, my very oversized t-shirts, multiple sweatshirts, all the time, and my patience. We got into many arguments after that, and I always dreamed of having a sister, until those moments. But then I realized we're the same size, and I can feel her clothes too. We now interchange clothes so often that she changed into my sweater to get engaged because she hated hers.
Before we begin, Kyle and Maggie would like to express their gratitude to their parents, Chris and Robin, and Doug and Kerry, for their unconditional love and support throughout both of their lives. They would also like to take a moment to remember those who are not with us tonight. Though they are not physically present, their love was felt here on such an important day. Don't just pretend to love others, but really love them. Hate what is wrong and hold tightly to what is good. Be devoted to one another with genuine affection. Take delight in honoring each other and putting others first. Never be lazy, but work hard and serve the Lord with all your heart.
When I look at her today, I still see my beautiful little girl. The one who could out sarcasm me before she could ride a bike. And who has been my ride or die from the beginning.
Who gives Maggie to be married to Kyle?
And then Kyle came. No dad is ever completely ready for that moment. So what made it easy for us was seeing the kind of man Kyle is. The way he respects Maggie, the way he stands beside her as a true partner. Watching the relationship grow has been a true gift.
I am truly honored that Kyle and Maggie have each met today. Over the past several years, I had the privilege of watching their relationship grow, while also building my own meaningful connection with each of them. Now, I would like to take everyone back to March of 2020. We all remember that time, beginning of COVID. It's okay, we're only going to go back for a second. We're not going to relive it. I think it's safe to say something good came out of COVID. That one unexpected FaceTime call became the very first moment in a love story that brings us all here today. A couple who's already built a life together. They've already been doing the things that matter most. Supporting each other, growing together, figuring life out side by side. So in many ways, today isn't the beginning of it.
Maggie's never done anything halfway, and this love is no exception.
She loves with her whole heart, and we see that same wholehearted love reflected in the life she and Kyle are building together. Kyle, from the very beginning, we saw how deeply you adore our daughter. And you have such a natural way of putting people at ease, simply by being yourself.
Congrats, Kyle and Maggie. Congrats.
You show up with patience, kindness, and a natural ability to truly see others. The way you love Maggie is steady and thoughtful, and it gives us confidence very quickly that she found someone who truly sees and values her.
4,400. Action.
Congratulations, Kyle. Hope you have so many daughters, and I hope you guys are so happy. Birthday! I've been having so much fun at y'all's birthday party. Congrats, Kyle and Maggie. This is you two. Play nice.
Margaret, you my lost people, I did want you. To love and to cherish till death do us part. In the presence of our friends and family, I make this vow.
To love you, to cherish till death do us part. In the presence of our friends and family, I make this vow.
The authority vested in me by the state of North Carolina, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. For the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Fry. Mr. and Mrs.
Please raise a glass with us. To Maggie and Kyle, a lovely family.
May the life you build together be richer than either of you imagined alone. Cheers, to Maggie and Kyle.
I'm so excited to welcome Maggie into the family, even though it felt like she's been here for as long as I can remember. There was never any doubt in my mind that she wasn't sticking around for forever. She just always fit in. But now I can finally say my sister-in-law legally. Buckle up because you're stuck in this chaotic family whether you like it or not. But we all know you love it just as much as we love you being a part of it.
Raise a glass to Kyle and Maggie. You have no idea how much we all love you and how proud we are. See you guys.
You guys want to say anything? You just got married?
How do you feel, Maggie?
I'm married and
How does it feel to be a bride?
wonderful. Throw her a kiss.
We're so excited.